The chemistry of soap lathering is a fascinating everyday science phenomenon. Not all soaps foam equally, and the secret lies in their composition and the hardness of water. Hard water contains high levels of magnesium and calcium, which can suppress soap bubbles, leading to less foam. Soaps with added foaming agents, like sodium lauryl sulfate, are designed to work even in hard water conditions. When choosing soap, considering your water type can help you get the most effective cleansing, whether it's for personal use or dishes. Understanding the science behind lathering can improve cleaning efficiency, making everyday tasks easier.